Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing the theme song challenge and my friend is going to be sat over there giving me theme songs to guess. Sorry for the slight change in background, but as you can probably tell, I'm at my friend's house to do this. So the way I'm going to be playing this today is with a little twist. So anytime I get one wrong, I'm going to be cellotaping something to myself. But my friend is going to be choosing the objects that I sellotape to myself and where I'm going to be putting them. Hope you enjoy, keep watching. Song number 1. I don't know this one. First item is... Are you serious? Please leave the premises right now. I have to sellotape this right here. Ah! Are you happy with yourself? Item number 1 is on my face. Song number 2.
Quick as Gaston, no one's next as incredibly thick as Gaston, for there's no man in town have that manly. Perfect, the pure paragon. You can ask any time.
I don't know. I've got it wrong as well, so now I guess another item to my bloody face. Look at this. Okay, item number 2. A fucking bagel. Ow! Oh! Do you want to cut your bagel with my knife? Song number 3. Little Mermaid! Little Mermaid! I got one right! Song number 4.
Build a snowman.
Frozen!
Come on.
Woo! Song number 5. Is it Mickey Mouse? I'm sure that's what it's spelling. Is it Mickey Mouse? Mm-hmm. No. Oh, yeah, it is. Is it? Mm-hmm. Yes. I thought I got it wrong then. I was about to get scared. Song number 6. Sweet Life on Deck. Or is it... Is it Sweet Life on Deck? No. Sweet Life is like a coda. Oh, okay. Yay. Look at this piece of tape. And the next song. I know that's from Jungle Book. But I know there's a TV show about the Jungle Book. Is it Jungle Book? Well, I don't know what it is then. Do not come for me, because I will cut you. The next item. A fucking egg. Ugh. I'll put it right here. Stay. Stay. Oh. I don't know if it's going to stay. I might need some more sellotape. Look at this. Next song. Something about building houses. Something about building houses. What is it? The fucking box? Never heard of that in my life. Oh, guess what's happening there? He gets to stick another thing to my bloody head. I don't think there's much room left. At all. Are you fucking serious? What is this, like wrapping paper? Or a poster? Oh, it's from Game of Thrones. Oh! And where is this going? Look at this. You fucked me up. Thanks. Next song. What it seems, this is the way we play. Hey, this is my magic wand. Next song. I don't know. What was it? Well, now I have to put another thing on me, and you know, just look at this. The next item. Are you fucking serious? Okay, it's worth a try. Oh. Oh. No, we need something smaller. That's not going to work. Do you have a kitten? Okay, so because that didn't work, what's the next item? No live creatures. A Sharpie. My favourite colour. Let's go. What's on my hair? There we go. I'll do. Next song. Hannah Montana. You just ruined my little jam session. Thank you very much. Next song.
These are the true life adventures of kids at summer camp.
I don't know. Do you even know this one? Well, I guess this is the last question and I'm sticking something to my face again. Great. Do you see this last item? Fuck you! Thank you for watching this week's video. If you liked it, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Ow, my fingers. I do weekly videos every week, so, you know, subscribe and be sure to watch those. Hey guys, I'm a little bit flushed right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you next week. Bye guys.